guys, welcome back to my channel. Zafirah Shadiyah here, and thank you guys for tuning in to yet another video. And if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? So in today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a get ready with me today as you're watching this. Well, maybe not as you're watching this, but my birthday is actually today, so I did this beautiful look right here. And you guys, this look turned out perfect. Like, it's not too extra, it's not too over the top, it's literally just right for my outfit. You guys, your girl is feeling herself. Who is she? Who is she? So yes, my birthday is today, December 23rd. I am 26, you guys. Your girl's 26, baby. What? Yes, I know I might look 12, but guess what? Your girl is 26. So if you wanted to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Also, this is not like a talk through, like tutorial type of thing. I do try to show you the products that I use, but I am going to link everything and all the products that I used in today's video down below in the description bar. So please don't forget to read the actual description bar, you guys, because that's where all the information is always at. I was jamming out to my music, as you will see, so there was less talking and more jamming out. It was a whole jam session in here, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and you guys, I will see you guys in my next video, and happy holidays. Bye.
If you know exactly what I wanna do, then I'ma get a business too.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet that.
I'ma get a business to you.
that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
someone to satisfy my every need. Won't you be my inspiration? Be the real love that I need. I'm searching for love, someone that might bring love. I'm searching for love. So I slowly came to see all of the things that you are made of. And now I hope my dreams and inspiration lead me towards a real love. I'm searching for a real love. Someone to set my heart free. Real love. I'm searching for a real love. I got to have a real love. Love so true. And oh baby, I fell in love with you. I thought you were the answer to the question in my mind, but it seemed that I was wrong. If I think wrong, maybe I'm falling down real love. So I try my best and pray to God He send me someone real to caress me and to guide me towards a love my heart can feel. Now I know